this is Tectonic Tech, and today we have Mi Band 3 smartwatch with me. As you can see, this is the box. At the sides of the box, Mi branding here, okay, and nothing on this side. This is the front of the watch. Alright, moving on, we have the back, and this watch is compatible with 4.4 and above Android versions, and with iOS 9 and above. This watch comes with 110 mAh battery, and you can pair it up with your phone with Bluetooth, as you can see in the box. Okay, so let me just open it up for you, and here's the moment of truth. Okay, so this is the box, and the watch looks shiny here, and this is in the black color. Looks good to me. Okay, so let me just open up. Alright, so now, okay, so yeah, I have opened up the box. So here's the watch itself. Okay, so you can see this is the watch, and this is the back, the heart rate sensor, Mi branding, and you have, as you can see the picture here, you have to press this from the other side to take it out. So here's, let me just, alright, okay, so yeah, okay, yes, so here's the watch, and looks good. Black is always good color, yeah, so I love black color. And okay, here's the box. Let me just go with it, and you can see the box. We have the strap of the watch. Oh, what's this? Okay, so this looks good. I don't think we need it, right? So let me just, okay, so the strap looks good, and it is flexible, as you can see. Let me just open this, the brand, and it is pretty soft too. Okay, so you can see this is stretchable, so it's good, you'll be comfortable with it. Okay, moving on, we have some guidance. Okay, so let me just take it out. Manual, the Mi Band 3 manual. Okay, so it's so big that I don't think we'll need it, right? Some stuff, some information, let me just throw it. Okay, so we have some other box in it, some small box opening up. Here we have cable is pretty important. You'll not be able to charge your smartwatch without it. This, you can see the small yellow dots that you'll be using to connect to your watch, and this is the micro USB. This is the USB, so you can use your power brick of phone. Okay, so here's the watch. So let me just peel this sticker. Okay, so yeah, I have peeled the sticker, and now we'll be pairing it up with my phone. As you can see, pair device first. So let me just bring my phone. Here's the phone. First you need to install the application Mi Brand, and then you have to sign it up. I've already signed in, so yeah, here's okay, just brightness. Okay, yeah, so I hope you'll be able to see it now. Here's the, yeah, we have the band. Okay, you have to allow it. Yeah, activity, sleep, heart rate. Okay, got it. Allow the location, of course. Let's go to the settings, turn it on. Alright, okay, so yeah, band. Okay, so this is okay, so you have to allow all the settings to work. So now it's searching for your device to pair it up. Okay, so let me just, okay, yeah, so it's pair searching. Let them, alright, so let me just put it on the table and let them pair. Okay, yes, as you can see, the watch has paired up. Yeah, tap the button. Okay, so yeah, you have to tap the button a couple of times to pair it up with your phone. So let me just, okay, yes, yeah, paired successful, so that's good. That wasn't too slow. Okay, so it's processing, pairing the phone. Okay, yeah, pair up. And this shows some the battery percentage, which is low. Okay, and some guidance, swipe to switch between items. Okay, swipe to switch between item. You can use left or right to tap to go back. Long press the button, confirm, swipe to unlock. Okay, how to wear we all know. Okay, all right. Okay, so just let me go back. So yeah, it's a watch. As you can see the time here, and if I just swipe it up or left, yeah, here's the steps, as you can see, and the distance. You can, yeah, this will measure your distance or your time. Yeah, this will show your calories that you have burned in your activity. So that's the feature, good, of course, and the battery percentage. Yeah, all right. So okay, let me just swipe up. So yeah, some more information. You use the clock. So that's good. You can record your time. But okay, so you have to hold the button to start the time. Well, that's good. All right. So and you have to hold it back again to top and to pause it. Okay, so that's how you restart. Silent, you can, of course, you can silent find your device here. So yeah, guys, this is a good function. You can find your phone with the phone that you have paired with your smartwatch. So yeah, of ringing. So this says ringing now. So your phone will be ringing. So you can find it where it is. So let me just show you my phone. Yeah, it says MiFit band is searching for this phone. Okay, so that's a good. Yeah, you can find your phone if you have lost it. Okay, so yeah, here's some other functions, and yeah, here's the temperature, 32 degrees Celsius, and tomorrow temperature 34 degrees Celsius, and day after tomorrow temperature 34 degrees Celsius. That's the 3 days, so it's pretty nice. All right, guys, that's it for this watch. Thank you for watching, and we'll be coming up with more videos. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much.